Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry. MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry is a versatile analytical technique to detect and characterize mixture of the organic molecules in microbiology. It is being used as a rapid, accurate, and the cost-effective method for the identification of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. A typical experiment consists of the growth of microorganism colony selection and the placements of the target, addition of the matrix, and the analysis with the MALDI and the standards of the metric. And the full form is this MALDI, that means metric assisted laser desorption ionization. In the ionization method, vaporize into the vacuum while being ionized at the same time without the targeting decomposing. And TOF stands to the time of the fight at the mass spectrophotometry method that separate ions by their mass charges ratio and determines the mass of the charge ratio by the time. It takes the ions reach charge ratio and determines that mass ratios at by the time it takes for the ions to reach detector. This technology generates characteristic mass spectral fingerprints which can be compared with the large library and the mass microbial identification. And generally, it has a two types of phase and the procedure: ionization phase and the time of the flight phase. In ionization phase, the initial the samples are fixed in a crystalline matrix, and it is generally for the initial phase. The samples are fixed on crystalline matrix in the target plates and the bombarded by the lasers. Bombarded by the lasers. The samples molecule vaporize into the vacuum while the being ionized. At the same time, high voltage is applied for the accelerated and the charged particles. The second step which is timed to the fight mass spectrometry phases, the linear mode particles which inject upon the linear detector with a few nanoseconds for the ionization. Higher mass molecules with the arrive later than the lighter ones. Flight time measurement make it possible to determine molecule masses directly. Each peak in the spectrum corresponds to the specific mass of the particles along the time axis starting with the ionization movements. In the reflector mode, the particles are diverted so that they fly towards the second detector. In the addition of the extended the flight distance, the reflector also focus on the masses. The combination of these two effects makes the higher resolution. Then it's the linear modes. Then the net result is a generation of the mass spectrum which compared with those of well characterized organism available for this particular library of the databases, and how to isolate of the you can isolate from the gene banks. Procedure is the pick a bacterial colony and smear onto the target plates. After that, they add 1 to ml of the matrix consisting alpha cyano 4 hydroxyamine acids dissolved in the acetonitrile for and 2.5% for trifluoroacetic acid on it, and the dry it for the titrate plate. Place the target plate into the plate chamber and for the mass spectrometer. Close it and perform the analysis. And so you can isolate the samples through this mass spectrometer. And the application of for the in this microbiology it is it can be skyrocketed over the last couple of the years because it offers the specific levels of the identification at the last accuracy, and the matches often exceeded the conventional identification system. It is used for the routine diagnostic and the diagnostic like purpose in the clinic, veterinary, pharma, and the food microbiology laboratories. And it can be also used in the environmental monitoring, biodefenses, and the other biological processes. And advantage of this spectrophotometry is it can be significantly for the decrease the turnaround time, and the processing time is similar to the rapid molecules The sample preparation is simple and the small requirement is the minimal. A single colony is the sufficient in the order to generate spectra and the sufficient quality. It is the cost effective, low consumable cost, and it is automated, robust, and the interlaboratory reproducibility, and it is the good applicability for all type of bacteria and the anaerobes and the fungi, and it is the adaptable open system and expandable by the user, and it has some limitation, which is it is identification of the new isolates is possible only if the structural databases contain peptide mass fingerprints of the type, strain of the specific genera and the species. No subsequently information is provided, and it is not useful for the direct testing for the clinical specimens. Some organisms require repeat analysis and the additional processes for the by the extraction, and it is acceptable source cutoff by the between studies and the some closely related organisms are not differentiated. Some organisms correctly cannot be reliably identified this method, such as Shimla and the Streptococcus species. So this is about the mass spectrophotometry. I hope you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.